For 50 years, I've been a patient, and for 50 years, my medical history has been a collection of scattered papers in a drawer, test results without context, and diagnoses without a clear story. I lived through it all, but I never truly understood it. Last month, my son introduced me to Synaptic Care. I wasn't sick. I didn't have a new problem, but he suggested something profound. Dad, let's finally put your story together. So we did. We spent an afternoon uploading decades of old lab reports, hospital discharge summaries, and notes from countless specialists. I watched as this platform didn't just digitize my past, it connected the dots. And for the first time, I saw it. The complete story of my health, laid out in a single clear timeline. I saw how a medication I took in my 40s likely contributed to a condition I developed in my 60s. I saw patterns and trends that no single doctor in any single appointment had ever shown me. For the first time, I wasn't just a patient with a list of ailments. I was the expert on my own body. But the most powerful realization was this story wasn't just for me. My health history holds clues for my children and perhaps even their children. By putting this all together, I wasn't just organizing my past, I was building a legacy of knowledge. This is more than technology. It's clarity, it's understanding. It's the most important gift I can leave my family, a map of our health, not a mystery.